You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to your guide for stress-free international moves. Whether you're moving from Los Angeles or maybe San Francisco to Spain, the UK, or maybe even Portugal, we're here to make your relocation experience seamless and exciting. Today, we'll discuss how SDC International Shipping can make your dream of moving overseas a reality. Are you planning to relocate from the United States for personal or maybe professional reasons? SDC International Shipping is here to provide a manageable, stress-free, and easy relocation experience with a global reach and service to 190 countries. We pride ourselves on exceeding your expectations and making your move seamless and hassle-free. Perhaps you've already found your perfect new home overseas in a coastal country such as Spain or Portugal. We want you to focus on preparing your family for your new wonderful home. We want to take the stress out of moving your family's belongings to your new home. So let's talk about how SDC can help you from getting your personal effects from Los Angeles or maybe San Francisco all the way to your new home. From getting your personal effects from Los Angeles or maybe San Francisco all the way to your new home, we want to provide expert guidance and comprehensive service. We're going to be with you every step of the way. So here's what we offer. First, accurate estimates. When you fill out our form online, you will get a personalized relocation consultant who will handle all the necessary steps, including a visual estimate of your home to determine the precise service needed for your move. You're going to receive an accurate estimate that reflects your specific requirements. Shipping tracking. As you travel to your new home, perhaps it could be in beautiful Spain or even Portugal, you don't have to stress about where your family's belongings are. You can stay informed about your shipping process with updates at each stage, from the warehouse to customs across the ocean, all the way to your new home. Our tracking system ensures peace of mind and always knows your shipment's status. Clean storage. We offer clean, moisture-proof storage facilities at major ocean port terminals throughout the United States, ensuring your items are safe before and after delivery. Moving internationally, that involves a lot of complicated regulations, but our experienced logistics team guides you through the necessary steps to ensure compliance and avoid issues at your destination. We are going to assist you in preparing an accurate inventory for your shipment, and we're going to make sure each box is numbered and its contents are recorded. As you set up your new beautiful home in Portugal, you want your family's belongings to arrive in the same condition you sent them. Proper preparation of your furniture is crucial to prevent damages. We understand your household items are special to you and your family. And these items will be what fill your new property and turn it into a home. To make sure your furniture arrives undamaged, we disassemble items as needed, such as taking apart beds or removing table legs, wrapping each piece individually to ensure its safe arrival. We create custom crates for fragile items like grand pianos and fine art, and recommend that you insure valuable items for added protection. At SDC International Shipping, we understand the complexities of international moves, and we're here to provide the support you need. From packing and shipping to custom requirements and so much more, we offer various services to make sure your move is as stress-free as possible. So the next step is to contact us today to learn more about our white glove packing services and other moving solutions. Let us help you prepare for your international move and help you start your new life abroad.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.